Hello there guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be reviewing the Class 171 Southern, I believe, produced exclusively from Model Zone. Here's the two boxes obviously with it, and obviously it's been in here for about 16 years. It's never been out of the box, I was told by the seller. So sadly, when I took it off, the bottom of this box has stuck to the top of the other box and got a bit of a crappy blooming bit that's teared off from there. I've done the best I can, but sadly that's the biggest bit that's come off there on the bottom of the box and the top of the other one. This is the close-up section. So immediately I notice is on, see the little bit there, it actually says where it's going. So it says Uckfield and the other one is London Bridge. Nice window wipers. I've got the weathered version of this, so there's some nice grime under there. Going to the side, it's basically the same as the Class 170 and Class 168. But another thing is this has just got more detail. See there? Another one that says Uckfield, and the other one, which is the power one, there says London Bridge. Basically the exact same on the back as well. I've got the exhaust and the coupling, the exact same as the Class 168 and the Class 170. Same again, underneath is the exact same, obviously with the weathered look, so it isn't black like the 170 and the 168 I've got. This is the weathered version, but the exact same underframe, and I will do a comparison later in the video. And then moving on top, you've got the nice grey sort of finish. Looks the exact same as the Class 168, I believe, because it's got the extra vent at the front. Here is the lighting. It looks pretty good. Not as bright as the 170 or the 168. The camera doesn't actually pick it up, but it's more orangey. The camera doesn't pick it up at all, but it's a lot orangier than the 168 and the 170. Here is actually a picture of all three of them together. As you can see, they're more dim, so like the 168 rather than the 170. Here is a comparison of obviously all the different sleeves that you get in each one. Obviously the 168, the 170 and the Class 171 is what I just got. I've got number 288 out of 604 ever made. I'm not sure if there are 604 weathered, 604 normal, or if it's like 50-50, I'm not too sure. But there's 604. Here they all lie together. As you can see, the Class 171's bulbs, like where they've moulded it, are bigger actually. I plan in the future to get every single Class 170 there is made by Bachmann, to no custom ones, purely made by Bachmann. Obviously, I'm trying to save my money, and I'm not made of money, so it's going to take a while. But eventually, I plan to have every single one. I've basically gave it the same score as the 170 and 168. There are a couple notable things that are different. So, value, 6 out of 10. Now, the reason for this is I think I paid 280. A lot of money, considering you can buy a 172 car. I bought mine for like 110, I think. So it's like double the price, but there's only 604 ever made. So that kind of bumps it up a bit because you're paying more, but then it's a lot rarer. Another thing is detail. Detail is 10 out of 10 because it's got more detail than the 168 and the 170. I showed you earlier the little billboard signs where they're going, and also in the middle it has it. And I've actually checked, the 170 and the 168 does not have the little billboard sign in between on the two cars. Thank you very much for watching, and from Dan's Trades, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.